I think that's the leader cow right there. I think they're almost done. I just texted my customers saying that I'm down the street, but I'm waiting for this cow drive to end. What kind of cows are those? Oh, there's some baby cows. We're almost done. Okay. I love my job. Oh, look at the baby cows. And then we got like 2 more. Actually, the one right next to it is not even a cow, I don't think. Look at all the babies. Oh, wait, no, that is a baby. Despite that they're on the side of the street, I could technically go, but I'm going to wait. They're almost done. It's just those two, the little stragglers. Oh, and there's the donkey. See, there's always a protector of the herd. I don't live on a farm, but from watching people that, nobody's behind me, but from watching people that does homesteads and live on a farm, I know that when it comes to cattle, it depends on the farmer, but they usually have like a donkey or some type of protective animal for the herd. And, well, you don't really want to mess with a donkey whatsoever. So, donkeys are really overprotective. And he's just moseying on. Now he's really now. Yeah. See, they're all safe. Hi. Cutie. Kinky. Hi, cuties. They're curious about my car because the guy that I just dropped off, because the rest of the herd's up here. He says that these cows belong to his neighbors, and they basically graze on everybody's grass. And normally they don't go to his other neighbor over here until like sundown. But that's cool. I got to see some cows. One thing about this job, you never know what you're going to see or find or get to witness.